Silver traded with swings last week. We have seen it hitting the highs at 36.85 while the lows at 35.25, and it has closed the week precisely at a doji, precisely at the median here at $36 levels. Can we expect, or can we say this is the sign for weakness in silver? Can we expect a drop here in silver prices where it is going to head all the way towards 35 or 34 in the coming week, or there is a possibility of a reversal and rise and we can expect another breakout move here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for silver, first with the Asia session, next with the US session, such that you can profit throughout the day across sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the levels, so do watch till the end. Now, first on the weekly charts, couple of indications here. Remember, it has formed double bottom in the preceding couple of candles, and this time it has breached the lows, and then it is closed at a doji. Also, this is coming after a red candle. This is an indecision here. Possibly once it starts the week bearish, if it trades below 35.80, move towards 35.40, and if it breaches 35, now 35 is going to be one level which is going to be a critical one for the coming week. If it trades below 35 in the coming week, expect a further correction in silver prices where we are heading towards 34.50 first, 34 the second, and 33.20, 33.40 the third zone. Possibility exists. See, whenever it diverges from 20 period, it starts off converging, and see, look at the preceding few moves, the rise, then the retracement, the rise, then the retracement. This time it has taken the support and then the rise. Now what followed after every rise is a retracement here, and that is the pattern in which silver is trading. So possibly this could again initiate a possible retracement here where the lows are at 32 and then the next lows are at 29. So let's wait. How silver performs in the coming week is going to be very, very important. The stochastic overbought here on the weekly charts. The MACD after retracing has crossed over. This is a good supportive sign for the bulls here. But looking at the flattening of the candles, it appears the bulls are pretty exhausted as of now. The RSI remains flat here. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, it was trading with divergence here from 20 period. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period. Then it has shown a reversal. But after a quick retracement, it is again reversed. So now it has come down again to the same zone, again to the 20 period. And now in the coming week, first trading session, it has to decide the direction it wants to take. Now, if it stays below 35.80, you can take a sell, but then be careful at around 35.50, 40. And if that is taken, we are ready for a good fall here. 35 should be the next milestone. 34.50 should be the second, and 34 should be the third. These are going to be critical support levels for silver here on the downside. Yes, what we had seen here can get replicated here. If you look at the stochastic, this is seen a V-shaped recovery, now trying to flatten out, or in fact can reverse. When you look at MACD, this is important. See, MACD has crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence. And when you look at MACD, see, this crossover is coming at a slightly higher zone. And from here, we always see a quick retracement or a reversal. And that is what is happening. And this suggests there is still not much of downside available for silver. When you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, you can find out the moving averages have started to cross over here. Notice after the rise, the retracement, and then lower highs. So what it is delivering is lower highs and lower lows. Lower lows means first support should be at around 35. And then if that is taken, the more time it spends here, the lower the levels are going to be. 34.50 and 34 should be there. Look at the last few candles on the 4-hour charts. Higher lows are seen and the resistance on the upside. So yes, if you see it is staying below 35.80, you can take a sell and stay with the shorts here. And on the upside, pretty important for silver to breach 36.60, 36.80 zone, which is going to remain pretty critical for silver on the upside. 36.65, 36.85. If this is taken, then stay bullish for 37.20, 30. And then if that is also breached, you can stay bullish for $37.80 levels, beyond which sky is the limit. Very soon silver might move towards 40. Though right now it is struggling here. Right now we have already seen a good rise and it is trying to cover up some of the grounds, trying to retrace here. Moving average is crossing over here, certainly a bearish sign on the 4-hour charts. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD has again crossed over. It is trading with divergence, staying bearish. The RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, it is important to note that silver is now looking upwards. See this, it is giving a breakout here, because see previous patterns here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and this time it is rather than reversing, it is seen an up move. It is shown an up move, which is a good sign for the bulls. It is delivering a breakout. Now this might confirm that it is delivering a long-term reversal where the highs are aiming towards 40. This is the highs which it would like to achieve very soon. And if you look at the candle here, where it closes is going to be pretty important. A drop below 34, a closer of the month. We only have one trading session left, and from 36 to 34, this journey appears difficult in a single day. And even if it closes above 35, you can say it is bullish for the coming month. If it closes between 34 and 35, uh, the chances of reversal will be high, but only and only if silver trades below 33 in the coming month, then only we can say that it is turning bearish. Else it is still staying bullish here. Moving average is looking upwards, stochastic at top. When you look at the MACD, this is also looking upwards. But when you look at MACD, notice it is almost at the top on the monthly charts, and from here the reversal possibility increases. But right now I will say it is still having lot much of room on the upside available. RSI looking upwards as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting tomorrow. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. It is very important for you to invest in your learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Reach out to me for details, and if not, just join my signals channel where trading as per the signals also you can profit. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, zero commissions, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy your trading experience. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. If you see silver trading beyond 36.25, you can buy. Expect 36.50, 36.65, 36.85. Now this zone is critical. This complete zone is going to remain critical for silver. If it trades beyond 36.85, you can say now the bulls are taking over. Expect 37.25. And if this is taken, I will be looking forward to 37.80. And once 37.80 is taken, stay bullish for 38.45. If this is taken, 39 should be the next and 40 should be the next. This is applicable not only for the coming week but for the next few weeks, that is the month of July also. You can say that once it trades beyond 37.80, the bulls will take over. We can look forward to a greater rise here. While on the downside, now it may start the month with a quick retracement, and thus the coming week possibly the bearishness might prevail. That is my expectation. And thus if you see it is staying below 35.75, stay short for 35.45 levels. And if this is taken, ideally I'll be looking forward to 35.20, 34.95. And if this is also taken, we are heading towards 34.50 and $34 levels. Below 34, a greater correction should follow, where we are aiming towards 33.20 and in fact lower level. Though I do not expect this in the coming week at least. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the daily updates. Do not miss to watch it. Till then, stay tuned with the more updates on multiple commodities and indices. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.